The objective here is to follow along as best you can, and if you get lost, try and pick it up. The goal for me is to try and push you beyond what you would do naturally. So you want this to feel challenging so that you learn how to transition faster and you get your thoughts out of the way and you relax into the sensations of your body because you have so much muscle memory. And that's what we're really trying to drill. So we're going to start with your weaker direction. I love doing that. We're overhand here in the T stance facing the right. Sweep back, and then we'll step your right foot forward. Sweep over away from me, and then step your right foot forward again. So you're back where you started. We'll do it again. Sweep back, step your right foot forward. Sweep over away from me. Step your right foot forward again. And now we're going to chase the sun in clockwise. So sweep low, up high. Sweep low, up high. Sweep low, up high. And now we're going to get ready, and we're going to come up into this pinwheel here in split time. And then from split time, come down on your right in overhand. Stall your right hand. Stall your left hand. Now they're both in underhand. Underhand, same time. Sweep over the top. Sweep back low. Chase the sun counterclockwise. So it's up and over and down behind. And up and over and down behind. Now up to pinwheel in split time. And then back to same time. And then we're going to come down on the left in overhand, and we'll do an overhand weave, and then open up your overhand weave, sweep back, come into underhand weave, open up your underhand weave, sweep over, spread your legs, double stall between your legs, sweep over the top. Now you're back in overhand on the right, sweep back, sweep up to pinwheel in split time. Now, plane shift it down into corkscrew. You're going clockwise. Now try turning your body as you're going clockwise, split time in the corkscrew. You're turning to the right, so you're turning with it. And now I want you to sync it up and go into together time. And now come down and tap on your right, up and over and tap on your left, up and over and tap on your right, up and over, turn and tap on your left. Sorry, I said turn, but didn't do it. Up and over, turn and tap. Up and over, turn and tap. Up and over and turn and tap. Up and over and turn and tap. Now we're going to add the jump. So as you turn, do a little jump, do a little jump, do a little jump, do a little jump. And now come into overhand butterfly in front of you. Take out right, take out left, go up with the right, go up with the left. Take out to the right, to the left, going up to the right, going up to the left, both up. Big extension, both up and back behind. Come down in front, split pinwheel. And then bring it back down to butterfly in the front. Double stall out into the iron cross, come into underhand. Right out and in, left out and in. Right up and down, left up and down, both up and down. Right out and in, left out and in. We're alternating right, and now to the left, and now to the right, and now to the left. Now drop stall, turn left, overhand weave. Open it up, sweep back, underhand weave. And open it up, sweep over, overhand weave, and open it up, sweep back, up to pinwheel, counterclockwise, make it big, make it big, make it big, sync it up, in small, sync it up, sync it up, sync it up. Now we're gonna go big for 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and now down and stall to the right, change direction, and clockwise together time, and we're gonna go big for 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and down and stall on your left, and back to counterclockwise, split the time, come down, come into overhand weave, open it up, sweep back, come into underhand weave, open it up, sweep over the top, and down.